Hi, I'm going to take you through the steps of editing a list. First, I'm going to click on the edit icon, the pencil in the list, and it will pull up this table. I know that I want to edit a particular field within this table, and sometimes it will take quite a bit of scrolling, as you just saw. I want to edit Robert Maxwell, so I'm going to double click on that row, and it pulls up kind of a form. I'm going to move this over here so you can see the whole thing. I have several different fields that I can edit, and let's say I want to edit the department entry text. Test entry text. I click right into that field and I should be able to edit it. I go ahead and update the row and close. Notice that was one pop-up window. This is now showing up in my field test entry text, but the last step I need to take in order to save that change is to click Save and Close. So there's two windows that need to be opened and saved before your change will show up. Your site will automatically refresh. It sometimes takes a while, so patience is a virtue when working with content. And you'll notice I do know that we are having some image loading slowness going on, which is affecting the way this page shows up. Okay, I apologize for that. Loading was a bit of an issue, so remember that if you're making changes to just be patient. And now you can see that test entry text is showing up. So the only time you're going to see the edit pencil in this particular list is when you click on it initially, and then what happens is you're able to click right into any field that you want to edit, including the list header and list description. Now something I want to point out is in the table itself, you'll see that the category header is its own line. You'll notice that nothing else is filled out on that line, and that is necessary in order to, for our style, for faculty, for Stephen Haynes, Walter Lowe, for them to show up under faculty, they are rows underneath that initial row, but nothing else can be, no other content, including the image, entry, title, text, or this other entry text and title should be included on the category title line. So those will have only one piece of information. All the other rows can have all of the pieces of information. That concludes my tutorial.